Welcome to Westbrooke House. This year is our 5th year of opening for the National Garden Scheme, and we'd like to welcome you on our video tour of the garden, as it's not possible for you to join us this May the 10th. A lot of our visitors that are keen gardeners head straight for the vegetable garden, because not only do we have vegetable plants on offer, but we also have all our perennials and our bedding plants grown from seeds, cuttings and division. We use the veggie greenhouse for overwintering our summer pots, and as you can see, they're looking absolutely stunning and are ready to go out. And we also have a selection of chilies, hot, medium, mild, aubergines on this side, and then we also have over here 3 varieties of tomato that we've chosen this year, which are red cherry, Alicante and Texas wild cherry, all beautiful and ready for new homes. And we also have a selection of cucumbers, courgettes and squashes. We've even got some celery growing in there. And perhaps my favourite part of the tour is people's reaction to seeing the 9,000 tulips blooming in the flower garden. This year we have 39 different varieties. These magnificent hornbeams were planted in the winter of 2015, provide a lovely walkway all the way up into the meadow. We hope you've enjoyed this short video tour of Westbrooke Gardens, and we look forward to welcoming our visitors just as soon as it's safe to do so.